The interesting thing on Jupiter is that the pressure and the temperatures where the cloud decks are actually not so inhospitable. You have these super powerful lightning bolts. You'd hear echoes of echoes of echoes just back and forth.
So what about the rest of the outer planets? Like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are mostly made of hydrogen and helium.